So I wonder what would happen if rather than unjacking this, I just drove it down off of them blocks. I think that might cause major wreck and havoc. I mean, it is Jeep and they are made to drive off the side of mountains and things like that, right? What's the worst thing that could happen? He said, just before, oh, I forgot. I got stuff in here, unfinished. I got unfinished stuff sitting on the driver's seat. Never mind. We might return to that thought in a minute or two. Worked out okay. I got some paint. It's interesting. Piece of rusted Jeep body part. Got picked up by the snowplow. Proof of it. Cut off there the other day. I think I'll see what I got for a can of paint and squirt some paint on that new rocker panel there. That's all. I was I could put some of that rust stuff here on that too. Let that dry before I paint it. Can't hurt it none, right? Good for it. I'll go in the house and let that sit. And then I'll come back later and squirt a little paint on all the rusty spots. Okay, look, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you come to my channel, you see nothing but the most high-tech, up-to-date, modern, and basically totally specific stuff, whether you like it or not. Oh boy, I got some mess to clean up. It's gonna be too bad. It'll be easier to do when my nose unfreezes and I can feel my toes again and things like that. Yeah, I'll get to all that. I'll get to all that after a while. I'll go ahead and pour this door down. It'll keep all of the frosty snowmen out. While I contemplate my next movement. I think it's going to involve this right here. Probably it's going to be part of my next movement is cleaning up this right here. That ain't really too hard. I can handle it. I can handle it. Sure can. Smells a little fuming in here. Let's go in the house and see what Charlie's doing. Oh, joy.